Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. This is your boy Alpha Omar Jallow. I'm back again with another exclusive video in my channel. So guys, today I'm with my two boys.
I have to win, man. The Chelsea boy.
This is the Chelsea boy,
Yeah.
and Manchester.
I'm a Man United fan.
Man United will never win Chelsea.
Okay
Never
guys,
have
today
to
what
play
we're gonna
against
do is
Chelsea.
we're gonna make a score challenge. So
win you, man.
you guys see how it's gonna be. Everybody gonna go inside this cooking. What is the name of it? This is my only motherfucking last chance, so
I have to
I
go
have
out,
to do
man.
it.
But
have
I
to
want you
make
to
it,
win
man.
because you're also a Chelsea fan. You know. Today.
Fuck this shit. Fuck this shit. You ready? I'm ready. I'm gonna make it.
I want you to score, man. You will fucking lose.
I have chance to win, eh?
That's easy, but no problem. One go. Just hold go. Just look at it.
Yeah, boy!
You have no blood about it. Let's go.
Ah, boy, man. We lost loud, boy. Yeah, that's not. Cha!
Okay.
Ah!
Isa, I ask you. Ready? Perfect. Ready? Perfect.
Yeah, ball. Yeah.
One more. Champion, Barcelona, on Chelsea. Champion.
Okay.